sir.
तो बैठिए।
Thank you, sir.
चलो शिवानी, आप हम लोगों का परिचय करा दीजिए जरा प्रयागराज से।
Yes, sir. So Prayagraj holds a rich religious and cultural significance. It is situated on the confluence of the banks of rivers Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. And the holy festival of Kumbh Mela takes place every year, and the Mahakumbh is conducted after every 12 years. And also it holds educational significance due to the presence of rich institutions in the form of MNIT Allahabad and IIIT Allahabad, as well as Allahabad University also.
शिवानी, आप प्रयागराज की रहने वाली हैं और ज्योग्राफी का आपका ऑप्शनल है।
Yes, sir.
ऑप्शनल पेपर आपका ज्योग्राफी।
Yes, sir.
प्रयागराज में वर्षा क्यों नहीं हो पा रही है?
Yes, sir. This year it has received little bit less rainfall. We can say it is rainfall deficient this year. It is attributed to a number of reasons. One could be the climate change, because it is the most of the factors, because the winds which should have reached the Bay of Bengal branch, which should have reached the eastern UP, it hasn't reached yet. Whereas the Indian Arabian Sea branch of the Indian monsoon, it has reached till western UP. It has not been able to reach the eastern UP as well. So the eastern UP has not received rainfall in the form of Bay of Bengal branch as well as from the Indian Arabian Sea branch of the Indian monsoon as well.
कोई एल नीनो का इम्पैक्ट दिखता है आपको?
Yes, sir. It can be attributed to the effect of El Nino as well, because there are number of factors which contribute to rainfall deficiency in Prayagraj or in the country as well. So El Nino definitely has played an important role.
क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है, मैंने सुना है कि प्रयागराज में केवल इसी बार नहीं, मैंने चर्चा कर रहा था तो इसी बार नहीं, लोग कहते हैं कि नॉर्मली यहाँ कंट्री के दूसरे रीजन के तुलना में कंपेरेटिव में क्या कम वर्षा होती है यहाँ पर, तो ऐसा कारण तो है ही।
Yes, sir. It is because of the geographical position of Prayagraj. If we see the Purvanchal UP, the districts such as Gorakhpur, Kushinagar, they receive very high rainfall as compared to the Prayagraj. So, and definitely Western UP also receives more rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of the Indian monsoon. So,
बट लगता नहीं कि ज्योग्राफिकल जो थ्योरीज हैं आपके उसको कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करता है, क्योंकि जहाँ ज़्यादा हीट लैंड है ना, लो प्रेशर वहाँ जनरेट होता है,
yes,
वहाँ रेनफॉल तो होना चाहिए। तो इलाहाबाद में तो क्या है, रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होना चाहिए क्योंकि हीट लैंड में कन्वर्ट है। एवरेज टेम्परेचर 42 डिग्री रहा पूरी गर्मी में।
Yes, sir, but it is not able to draw the winds from the oceans, because the wind pattern has already changed due to the climate change effect, because the climate change is a major factor that has played an important role, I believe.
और क्या मतलब फोरकमिंग प्रॉब्लम क्या देखती हैं आप क्लाइमेट चेंज का आपके यूपी या स्पेशली प्रयागराज में, और क्या ऐसे प्रॉब्लम खड़े हो सकते हैं अगर क्लाइमेटिक चेंज हुआ तो?
Sir, it could affect the agricultural productivity. That is the major reason, and that is the major outcome, I believe, because agriculture is the predominant activity of Uttar Pradesh in general and Prayagraj in particular, because 20% of the global Indian food production is contributed by UP. So I think, sir, agricultural productivity will take to a loss, will decline definitely. That is the major problem. Also, sir, we can see the change in migration pattern, because most of the people are migrating towards western UP and other southern states because of climate change, and they are not able to find much economic opportunities which get affected by the climate change. So, sir, these two problems I feel that can witness.
आपने अपनी हॉबी में लिखा है स्किपिंग करती हैं आप?
Yes, sir, whenever I get time I do skip.
क्या बेनिफिट मिलता है आपको?
Sir, it improves my concentration level. Also, the heartbeat gets increased when I skip a rope, and the blood pressure is not.
इंक्रीज करेगा तो क्या फायदा होगा आपको?
Sir, it will build stamina, and I would be able to do much more physical exercise. That's why I feel that skipping is a good.
शिवानी, ये बताइए अभी कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी में
Yes, sir.
वुमेन रिलेटेड बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं,
Yes,
बट
sir.
कोई ऐसा 2 क्रोनिक प्रॉब्लम बताइए जिसने आपको मैंने हाल के दिन में सबसे ज़्यादा आपको हर्ट किया होगा कि नहीं ये प्रॉब्लम तो बिल्कुल दूर होना ही चाहिए।
Sir, dowry, I believe, is one. and the other is marital rape, which I feel, which is not yet defined, but I think these two should be removed.
मुझे लगता है दहेज जो डाउरी आपने बताया,
Yes.
डाउरी लगभग क्या है, हमने उसको एक तरह सोशल एक्सेप्टेंस दे दिया है,
Yes, sir.
वो अब प्रॉब्लम हमको नहीं लगता बहुत ज़्यादा रहा.
Sir, it depends on the person who receives dowry and the person who demands dowry. So that behavior, that sensitization should be there, so that the person who is about to demand dowry shouldn't do this in future. So this behavioral change is required among people, and awareness should be created that this is, marriage is a social structure, and it doesn't mean that marriage cannot take place without dowry. So it's about marriage is a social reform, and it is needed for generations to come, and it is needed for reproduction and everything. Marriage is very important in society, but dowry should not become a part and parcel and a condition to marriage. That should be the case, sir, I believe. That because whenever we hear of the term marriage, dowry is something which is always associated with it. We cannot think of marriage without dowry. So that has become a norm, and I think we should try to, as a young generations, as we are coming forward, we should try to bring this out of the minds of our people, of our parents and of our forefathers, that we should not take dowry as such.
आप कैसे लड़के से शादी करना पसंद करेंगे फ्यूचर में, जब आपका कोई बॉयफ्रेंड है?
No, sir.
क्यों, आप ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं?
Sir, it doesn't mean that humans should have, I mean, boyfriend, but
नॉर्मली जो सोशल स्ट्रक्चर चल रहे हैं हमारे
yes, sir,
पास,
I agree.
आप डीयू में पढ़ी हुई हैं,
Yes, sir.
है ना, तो स्वाभाविक है कि वहाँ तो स्टेटस सिंबल हो गया है कि अगर आपके पास कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है, बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है, तो आप फिर
Sir, I don't think that one has to define his or her personality, which we can show or depict by our academic excellences, by our individual
चलिए,
traits.
फ्यूचर में आप कैसे हस्बैंड पसंद करेंगे, उनमें क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होनी चाहिए?
Sir, one who is understanding, and the one which suits my frequency. I mean, who doesn't judge people on the basis of status or any knowledge or anything.
Tell me name of lady ministers in UP government.
Lady ministers. Sir, Smriti Irani ma'am.
In UP government.
Okay, okay. So you. I'm sorry, sir. I'm unable to recall. I'll read about it.
You are not aware about your community.
Yes, sir.
Are you not aware about your community?
Sir, I'm aware, but I'm not able to recall, sir, right now.
Tell me name of such lady officer who has prominent figure.
Sir, in administration or in
Yes.
politics? Sir, Smita Sabharwal ma'am. She is an IAS officer and she has very much important role. And sir, we have Anu Kumari ma'am. She has played an important role also in
What
Kerala.
were the roles of both IAS officers?
Ma'am, Smita Sabharwal ma'am, she is known as People's Officer. She is an IAS officer of Tamil Nadu cadre, and she has turned, I don't remember the district exactly, but she has played an important role in the development of the district as such. So she has done commendable work in that district, I believe, sir. And also, sir, one which I can recall is Shashank Ala ma'am. She is an IAS officer of Mizoram cadre, and she has contributed in Mizoram by eliminating malnutrition in one of the districts of Mizoram. So that is also a great move, sir.
The history is going to create in recent scenario. What is the history?
So history in terms of which area?
In terms, you should.
I mean
think
sports, or I mean I didn't get the question.
this belongs to you
Okay, sir.
and your community.
Yes, sir.
What?
That if I become the officer or something, I am not getting.
Think in broad spectrum about nation.
Yes.
Have you heard about presidential elections?
Acha, yes sir, definitely. Yes sir, the presidential election took place yesterday only. The voting will be counted on 21st of July, and definitely history will be created because the first tribal woman is going to represent the highest place of honor in the country, and it will bring the marginalized and weaker section of our society to the forefront, and it will definitely play an important role in women empowerment as well, sir.
Do you know SDG goals?
So yes sir.
What is SDG goals?
Sir, SDG goals were formulated in 2015 and they were supposed to be reached by 2030 in order to create a sustainable society which has inclusive growth and which caters to the demand of each and every section of the population, sir.
फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्या है इसमें?
Sir, first is to end poverty and second is to
Zero poverty,
zero hunger, yes sir.
Zero poverty.
Eliminate hunger and poverty, yes sir.
What is different morality and values?
Okay sir. Sir, values is something which is acquired, which we learn from our parents, which we learn from institutions such as schools, which we learn from our society. So morality is something which is inherent or which is an individual's own concept, which he derives from his or her own understanding over the learnings which he or she has received. So sir,
Values are personal or universal?
yes sir.
Universal values. What is universal values?
Sir, universal values.
Fine, please.
Thank you, sir. Sir, universal values are something which has acceptance all over the society. An individual's value is one which he or she prefers over the other. For example,
Tell me one name of universal values.
sir, honesty, integrity, yes sir, compassion. I think these are
What is compassion of fatigue?
compassion of, sir,
Fatigue.
fatigue. Sir, I'm sorry, sir, I am not able to recall.
Have you heard international funding?
Yes, sir.
What is the ethical issues for this?
Sir, sometimes international funding goes unreported, so this is one of the issues. Sir, secondly, sometimes international funding is used for illicit trade, be it hawala transaction, money laundering. So this is one of the issues.
Hawala transaction is not international funding.
Yes, sir. So for unethnic purposes, basically, when international funding is used, so that is there. When it goes unreported and is
इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग जैसे क्या करें, अमेरिका जो है किसी देश को इसलिए देता है कि वहाँ पर लोगों को जाकर के चिकित्सीय कुछ
yes, sir.
उस संदर्भ में जो दिया जाता है वो इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग
Okay,
है.
sir.
हवाला ट्रांजेक्शन इज नॉट इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग.
Okay.
डायरी राइटिंग इज योर हॉबी.
Yes.
हैव यू हर्ड मुक्तबोध की डायरी?
No, sir. Sir, I write, like, I record my own events which I do every day at the end of the day. So I do in that way.
व्हाट इज कन्या विद्याधन योजना, यूपी गवर्नमेंट?
Sir, it was a scheme which was started in 2015. It aims to provide the merit scholarship to top 1% students who score the highest marks in the board examination. So under that scheme, I was awarded rupees 30,000.
इन बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट?
Yes, sir, in the district. In 2015, in my class 12th, sir.
ठीक है, ओके.
थैंक यू शिवानी.
Thank you, sir.